land ruled by tyranny, a child was born who would challenge the might of Pharaoh. A child raised in the palace of a king who ordered his death. This is the powerful story of Musa, al-Islam, the liberator of Israel.
Thousands of years
ago, Egypt was ruled by the cruel Pharaoh who enslaved the children of Israel. Fearing a prophecy that a boy from Israel would destroy his kingdom, he ordered the killing of a new every born boy. But Allah had already chosen Musa al-Islam from a divine. When Musa al-Islam was born, his mother feared for his life under Pharaoh's brutal command. Allah inspired her to place the boy in a small chest and set it gently upon the Nile River. The river carried the child to the place of Pharaoh, where its greatest enemy unknowingly raised him. Years later, Musa fled Egypt after an accidental incident and traveled to the land of Madian. There at Mount Tur, Allah spoke to Musa directly from a blessed fire. Allah commanded him return to Pharaoh and call him to the worship of the one true God. Musa al-Islam stood bravely before Pharaoh, declaring the message of Allah. Pharaoh mocked him, but Allah gave Musa al-Islam powerful sign. His staff turned into a mighty serpent, and his hand shone with a radiant light.
Pharaoh refused the truth and increased the suffering of Bani Israel.
Allah sent many signs upon Egypt, floods, locusts, frogs, and blood. Yet Pharaoh's heart remained arrogant and blind. Allah commanded Musa al-Islam to lead Bani Israel out of Egypt in the night. When Pharaoh's army chased to the Red Sea, fear filled the hearts of the people. But Allah ordered Musa al-Islam to strike the sea with his staff, and the sea split into towering walls of water.
And the sea split into towering walls of water.
Bani
Israel crossed safely, while Pharaoh and his army drowned in the sea.
The tyrant who claimed to be a god was destroyed by the power of Allah. The story of Musa al-Islam teaches us that truth always
The story of
defeats
Musa
oppression,
teaches us
and
that
Allah
truth always
helps
defeats
those
oppression,
who
and
trust
Allah
Him.
always helps those who trust Him.